This is a video that is going to show you how to log on to Teams using a district tablet. The first thing you want to do is activate the tablet by doing the on button. And when you get here, swipe up so that you can see the menus. So now let me zoom in so I can show you where you need to go. Here is a zoom in view of the tablet. And of course we want to go to Teams. So what you need to do is touch the Teams button. It's going to show you a login. So what you need to do is tap in your login, which I've already done, and then we're going to sign in. Once you sign in, it's going to ask you for your password. So you type in the password. And then you hit sign in. And once you sign in, you'll get this screen. Now let me zoom back out. When you get to this screen, you're going to have to swipe to get through this, and then tap I got it. And once you're there, you're into Teams. Now let me zoom in again to show you the bottom menu. Here is the bottom menu. You're going to use this to get onto Teams. You'll do this for whole group and you'll do this for small group. So all you have to do is touch the Teams icon down at the bottom. Here you're going to get into our Teams site. I moved up to the top of the screen where it shows you our group. It says general and then it shows you one hidden channel. So we're going to tap that. So it shows you one group right now. Eventually you'll have at least two groups there. This is the whole group, and then there'll be a color group for them, so when we're doing small groups. Once you get into the whole group, down at the bottom you'll see a button right here where it says join. When you hit that one, you'll get another screen, hopefully. Let's go back and do that again. Join. Aha, here we go. Now, this person is about to join. We want you to join with the camera, but have the mic off. Here we go. Hopefully it works. Yay! I did it. And now you can see me on my computer and I can see you on your computer. That's all you have to do. Now you're logged in to the whole group Teams. And now this is where I do my whole group lesson. Now there are some buttons down here that I want to show you. Let me turn off my camera over here so it's not distracting. So now I want to go here and show you this menu. This is where you can turn your mic on and off, where you can turn the camera on and the camera off. So here is the volume button. So if you want to turn up the speaker, here is a good menu. The most important one here is the raise hand. So if your child wants to raise their hand and ask a question or say something, they can just do that and then I'll see that hand. But the most important thing here is once they are finished talking, they need to mute their mic and make sure they put their hand down. And that's basically how you do Teams. Now, if I was to get out of this meeting, there you go, go back, I believe here in the general area, there's going to be at least one more button that you can push, and that's going to be for their small group. Your teacher will be giving you the times for their small group. You need to make sure that you're logging in on those times as well as the whole group. Remember, they're meeting with us 3 times for whole group and at least 2 times For small group, check Class Dojo for the times your child needs to join for small groups. Thank you and have a great day.